purchase. Yeah, go ahead. You can go a little more.
What's up, guys? This is your boy Fast Lane. And today,
You guys heard what he said, right?
I got my boy K out here. Woo! I'm gonna link up with him out in LA.
It started. Nice. Shoes all filled up and ready to go. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. You guys already saw his intro. If you don't know who that is, Fast Lane D. He's visiting us today, and I figured, you know, what better thing to do than take him to a meet. We are insanely behind. We're so far behind that my friends waited for like half an hour and they're like, hey, we'll just meet you there. And I was like, okay, that's fair. I was trying to set up my, you know, camera, meeting him, him riding my Aprilia. He had to drop off of the rental RS660 that he got. So it was a whole process. So, but we made it. Hopefully we're gonna make it probably the like last literally a few minutes of the meet, but at least we'll be there, right? This is dirty for me. Welcome back to the channel. I would like to tell you a little bit about the setup for today's video. This is the Insta360 One RS. It is the action cam that I am using right now, which also can be a 360 cam as well. If you guys want to see these point of views, and I'll go to his channel. Nah. That sounds good. Alright guys, we are gonna mob to the meet and I'll update you guys as soon as we get there. Be right back. That bike does sound good. A lot of cars are leaving right now, but we made it. There's still a lot of people, so we're good. You guys know the drill. We go around in a circle. is the squad. This is what we missed out on. It's okay, we'll ride back with them. Gotta show you guys the cars. There's actually a good amount left. Not bad, getting better. So man, thank you. A lot of nice cars.
And that black chrome, man. That's a heavy ass clutch, dude.
What? Feel this one.
On that bike?
Yeah, you gotta feel this one.
Well, you got on, you were just getting it. I was like, alright, we're doing this, man. I'm not used to that lane split.
My bad. I was trying to be like somewhat responsible.
That was responsible?
Yeah.
Sure, bike too?
Yeah. Alright guys, you know the drill. Walk around, check out the vehicles and all. I can walk a bit better. I'm going around. Nice. Supercharged. Alright, I'll show you guys some of the cars right here. And then we'll go back. I can walk, but still preferably not too much. Ooh, GT2 RS. That's clean. All black. Check out the STO, and is that a Senna right next to it? And then we'll go back. Oh, it's not a Senna. I have no idea what that is. The STO is clean. I have no idea what this is. Let me know in the comments what car this is. Alright, I guess we made it all the way here. I couldn't, ignore this. I had to come check it out. Oh, what? Hold on a sec. There's hypercars over there. Okay, we gotta go. Look at the hypercars. Look at that little thing. Oh my god, I can't believe 2 people fit in there. Nah, that's too funny. Well, 3 of them. This is gorgeous. Dream hypercar. Alright. Let's head back. Ooh, we got the Mercy taken off. That's badass too. And that too. I will resume when we get back to riding on the way back. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride here. The video. What's up, man?
Dude, I watch your videos.
Appreciate it.
Fucked up or what?
Yeah, it's better, but still a little messed up.
Nice, dude. Dude, I was watching videos. It's actually crazy. The reason
Appreciate
why
it, man.
Is because I saw you go over here, so I was like, oh shit.
Dope. We almost didn't. We barely made it. Barely on time. What's up, man?
What bike did you bring here?
The H2. It's over there.
H2?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
And I just saw you fucked up your BMW, right?
Yep.
You
Yep.
excited or whatever?
Yeah. I'm fixing that, so it'll be back.
Damn, okay.
It'll be back.
Nice seeing you,
Yeah.
dude.
Nice seeing you too. Later, man. Alright, we shall resume on the ride back. keep you guys posted. Alright, we are live. We are back. Time to head back.
Let's get it, bro.
Thank you, man. It is. Yeah, go on, man. You can go a little more. Yeah, it's okay. Of course, man. It is time for us to go grab some food. We're still gonna ride back as a group. Should be fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Me, it was really nice. There was a lot of exotic vehicles. And thanks again to Insta360 for providing me with this amazing camera. If you guys do want to film motovlog, vlog, or get 360 footage, make sure to check them out. They are currently having a sale until the end of this week, so take advantage of that. It's $30 off the one RS. You get 10% off all accessories, as well as if you use the link down in the description below, you're gonna get free accessories on top of everything. So besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.